Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how Brinell hardness tester works, and the principle behind it is very similar to Rockwell hardness tester and many others. So we have our frame, loading frame, that is very stiff, so it can transfer the load that is coming from these weights through the lever system down to the sample over here through the indenter. So this time here with the Brinell hardness tester, we have ball of larger diameter than in the case of Rockwell hardness tester, and today we're going to use 10mm ball. And this is also very easy test to do, similarly to Rockwell, except for the fact that we have to handle larger weights here. And these larger weights, as you can see, much bigger. So total amount of load that we can have here is 3,000 kilograms or 3 tons. And each of these blocks is worth of 500 kilograms. So as you can see, it's not definitely 500 kilograms. I can hold it easily. So it is maybe 15 kilograms or even less. So we normally use all of them to load the sample with 3,000 kilograms, or if you remove half of it, so you will have only 1.5 tons, so it's 1,500 kilograms. Or if you use only this bottom part, so it's going to be 500 kilograms. And with 500 kilograms load, we normally test some softer samples. When moving up with the weight, maybe up to 1.5 tons, we'll be testing some harder materials and the most hard materials with larger load. Why? Because we want to get an adequate geometry of our imprint, of our indentation, to be able to measure it later. Because it is not so much automated hardness test, Brinell test, as Rockwell test. So when we looked at the Rockwell test, it was the hardness number was indicated on the dial right away. But here we need to first test it, then take the sample and measure the diameter of indentation, and then use the equation to calculate the hardness number, Brinell hardness number. Okay, so that's it, and see you in the next video, measuring our samples.